Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the spectacular island in the world. Number 10. Falkland Island. In southwest Atlantic Ocean, 300 miles east of Patagonian coast lies the disputed territory of the Falkland Island or Islas Malvinas, currently a British land which the Argentines are trying to get control over. The political troubles cannot underestimate the island's natural beauty, which is most popular for its penguins. Number 9. Majuli Island, India. If island on the seas and oceans are too mainstream for you, then give this offbeat island peeping out of river Brahmaputra a try. Majuli is the largest river island in the world. Majuli is mostly inhabited by people undisturbed by modernity. It can offer some rare sneak peek into the life of the tropical tribes. Number 8. Bazarito Archipelago, Mozambique. One of the Africa's virgin beauties, the island flaunts it all: the white sand, the infinite blue, and the option of delving into luxury all are abundantly available here. Island apart is its rich population of fauna: whale, sharks, manta rays, dolphins, turtles, to name a few, are permanent residents of the water around the island. Number 7. Capri, Italy. This is that dream place in our imagination which has an unsustainable perfection about it. Its legendary beauty grasped the king, artists, popular personalities, and the common man alike. History, art, and culture from the heart and soul of Capri. It is a magnificent island with exotic villas and mysterious caves which open and close with the tides. Number 6. Bali, Indonesia. In Bali, Hinduism is much more than just a religion. It is a lifestyle, a disposition which is hard to ignore. Warm local efficient in skilled craftsmanship can teach you lots of new things. Get enthralled by interesting temples and out-of-the-world mythological tales. Experience the unique essence of the Balinese people and make a memory to be treasured for life. Number 5. Galapagos, the spectacular island. The contribution of Galapagos in framing up of Darwin's The Theory of Natural Selection is known by all. If the travel bloggers and the videographers record are to be believed, then people who set foot here cry will leaving the island. It is very easy to fall in love with the unique animals found now here as in the world. Number 4. Bora Bora Island, Tahiti. Seclusion, luxury, nature, and the horizon-less blue describes Bora Bora. It is the leading destination of the French Polynesian cluster of islands in South Pacific Ocean. If blue is a word carelessly used by you to express stress, then a visit to this island will change that perspective of yours forever. Turquoise is the color which rules her, with towering rainforest and iconic floating bungalows. Number 3. Santorini, Greece. Santorini is actually an active volcano perched in the sea with amazing architecture and velvety wine. It makes for a romantic holiday destination. The orange and golden rays of the setting sun kissing the snow-colored houses hanging from the cliffs in an uncannily fine turned rhythm is like a poem by nature. Number 2. Maui, Hawaii, USA. The ultimate destination for the adrenaline junkies and a surfer's paradise. Live like a true blue Hawaiian and explore the wilderness that this island has to offer. Scale its height or curve through the barrel of the waves. Go biking on the road to Hana or dive into the blue of the ocean. Number 1. Seychelles. It is perfectly understandable if you visit Seychelles and refuse to return ever. Captivating, pristine, white sand beaches and trickling azure water will stupefy you for days. The feel of the soft sand here is something unique which is found in no other part of the world. Environmental restrictions are very strictly followed in this tiny island country. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.